After 6 months of giving our undivided attention to the platform, I think we do have a good understanding of TikTok. I've grown to around 250,000 followers and Jess has grown to around 315,000 followers. That isn't to brag, but that's to attest to if you understand the algorithm and you understand how these social media platforms work, you can cater your content to really grow and build an audience wherever you are. What is going on, everybody? I know it's been a long time since Jess and I posted on YouTube, but that's because we've been really focusing our energy on our business as well as the new social media platform, TikTok. Really, we want to see how much we could learn about the platform in 6 months and get an understanding of how the algorithm worked. When we first went onto TikTok, there were a couple reasons why we really wanted to give our focus there. One, it was to see if we could build a following, see how the algorithm worked. The second was to see if TikTok itself could drive extra business to our own business, as well as to the businesses of our clients. And the third was how TikTok itself could drive an increased audience on other platforms like YouTube or Instagram. From those main questions, there was a lot of things that we learned during this process. The first is that TikTok grows every single part of your life, really. It helps you grow your business through the extra organic reach that you get from viral videos. It helps you grow your other social media channels like Instagram and YouTube because there's such a high number of profile visits coming from the TikTok platform. We learned that TikTok actually cares more about its creators than actually monetizing its platform right now, and we'll go into that later. And finally, the amount of organic reach you can get from TikTok is unmatched in any other platform. If you've been a subscriber of our channel for a while, welcome back. If you're new, welcome to our channel. We make videos almost every single week about content marketing, video and photo production, and anything social media strategy related. Living in TikTok for the last 6 months, it really opened up our eyes to how trends really worked in the social media world. In this video, I kind of want to just have a simple conversation with you, and my hope is that you can take out details that you can implement into your own brand or business. If you're a business owner or have a personal brand of any kind, make sure you send me or Jess an email with any specific questions that you have about content marketing or social media. We'd love to help you. First and foremost, it taught us so much about the importance of trends and understanding them. Even more so than Instagram, TikTok rotates through trends extremely fast. If it's new dances, new songs, new hashtag challenges, whatever it is, as long as you stay on top of the trend and you integrate your own brand and your own personality, you can succeed on almost any platform. In one sentence, TikTok's algorithm is very similar to YouTube's. It cares a lot about audience retention, and that's how it signifies if the video is worth pushing to its explore page, also known as the For You page. For example, if a video is 15 seconds long, and someone watches on average that video for 15 seconds, TikTok deems that video as good content and pushes it to other people that could be interested in that same video. From learning more about how TikTok works, our first video that we posted on YouTube after 3 months of not posting at all is already going viral. As you can see, this video already has 65% average retention rate, which is insane, and it has around a 14% click-through rate. Both of these numbers signifies to YouTube that yes, this is a good video, people engage with it, it keeps people on the platform for longer, so therefore they want to push this video. Before we continue, I thought it would be smart to set aside some time to go over the basics of TikTok. There's a lot of friends that we have that are in the entrepreneurial world that are still hesitant or procrastinating actually downloading the app and even creating content on it. But I want to let you know that this is the best time that you could ever upload onto TikTok. The organic reach is insane. Imagine if someone was like, hey, Instagram will be this in the year 2020, and they told you that in 2012, you would immediately start posting on Instagram because you knew how much profit you can make from it in the future. On TikTok, the main method of video consumption lies in what is called the For You page. If you know Instagram, this is your Explore page. If you like YouTube, this is your suggested page or your subscribers page. Whatever it looks like to you, it's basically where your videos end up for the TikTok audience to potentially see. You grow from being on the For You page. Unlike other platforms, TikTok actually focuses on not only the kind of genre or the kind of niche you're interested in when it comes to videos, but also when it comes to the sounds or the songs used in the videos. Therefore, this will show you videos that have similar songs to what you already like to listen to. For example, think about it like this. Imagine your favorite song right now. When you hear that song on the radio or on Spotify or Apple Music, whatever your listening platform is, you feel some kind of emotion. You feel kind of a certain way, right? It's the same thing with TikTok. Since sound is so integral in the platform, it really focuses on the kind of music that you like to listen to, and will show you videos that use that exact song. It's a recipe for success. As long as you make strong content and you follow trends, you use sounds, and you are fully yourself, you will succeed on TikTok right now. As long as you're consistent, you'll be able to grow at a steady rate. Next week, we'll post a video of the 10 strategies we use for ourselves as well as our clients to grow around 1,000 to 10,000 followers every single week. Now, I want to show you some interesting comparisons between YouTube analytics, Instagram analytics, and TikTok analytics. Being a small business or a small brand, you do not have the same resources that large corporations do. So you need to be smart with how you spend your time, energy, and your money. However, your strength is flexibility and the ability to maneuver however which way you want to. So if something's working, you invest more into it quickly. If something's not working, you can cut it right away. First, we have a YouTube video that we posted in December of last year, telling you why TikTok was the next big thing. I'm on the business side, as well as the influencer side. The biggest and most important strategy on growing your Instagram is actually off of Instagram. So the method that we've seen grow our Instagram the fastest in the last couple months, and will continue into 2020, is TikTok. This video took us a combined 12 hours of scripting, planning, recording, editing, and posting. And in 6 months, this yielded 131.5 hours of watch time with 2,600 views. Let's compare that to a TikTok video that I posted 1 week ago. This video took 5 minutes to make and had the total watch time of 1,078 hours with 236,000 views. Doing some math on YouTube, I'm paying 12 hours to get 131.5 hours of watch time, aka 1 hour to get around 11 hours of watch time. Still a positive time investment. Let's bring that over to TikTok. We invested 5 minutes for 1,078 hours. In other words, we invested 1 hour to get 12,936 hours of watch time. You can kind of see where the trend's going. Now let's run that exercise with Instagram. Using this Instagram post about how business leaders make emotional decisions, this photo took Jess a combined 2 hours to create, going to the shooting site, taking the photo, editing, and us optimizing the post. It reached 57,537 people, and let's say on average, each person spent, I'd say 15 seconds looking at the photo, reading the caption, and going through the comments. In other words, that's 14,384 hours of watch time, or 1 hour invested to get 7,192 hours of watch time. Now, the Instagram post is a little bit closer to TikTok when it comes to overall amount of watch hours coming from 1 hour invested into the content creation. But I want to slow down here. Not every single hour of watch time coming from the audience is equivalent across all social media platforms. For example, an hour of watch time on YouTube might be more valuable to me than an hour of watch time on TikTok. But no matter what, you do have to consider this variable. When it comes to the video and photo production side of our business, I would say that Instagram still remains our most beneficial social media platform. When it comes to having intimate and deeper conversations about general topics with you, I would say that YouTube is our best social media platform. When it comes to being an overall beast and driving insane amounts of traffic to our website, to our business, to our Instagram, and our YouTube, I would say that TikTok is paramount and the best out of all social media platforms. As you can kind of see, if you integrate and you meld all of these social media platforms together, you can get the best combination that works for you. TikTok has intelligently added buttons to integrate with all your platforms. For example, if you click on this button, you can see that it can bring you to your Instagram or to your YouTube. Instead of being a competitor, TikTok is acting as a catalyst and a mediator. I'm gonna give you a personal story, for example. One of our viral videos, it hit, I think, 1 million views in 2 days, was seen by the director of marketing for this app company. This guy went onto my TikTok profile from the video, then went onto my Instagram profile, scrolled through my photos and my videos, understood that we worked with content marketing, social media, influencer marketing, and then decided to send me a very specific email asking if I could help him strategize a plan to grow his app and increase the amount of downloads per month. Just like any other part of business, think about it as a funnel. How do you get more people on the top of your funnel so that it finally trickles down to a sale or a potential customer? What else is very interesting about TikTok is that it doesn't allow any brand to just advertise on its platform. It's very selective with the businesses that it chooses to be able to advertise in between videos. Right now, I think TikTok is charging around $10 CPM or $10 for every 1,000 views that it gets. Okay, I want to just go through this quick Chipotle case study, okay? So they promoted this hashtag called burrito which cost them around $150,000, okay, on TikTok. This is excluding all the sponsorships paid towards big creators like David Dobrik or Zach King.
Thank you.
What's up, guys? I'm doing the Chipotle lid flip challenge. It's this easy. Wow, I didn't believe I got that!
It says that this hashtag alone that came from all these videos generated 3.9 billion views on TikTok. Just to put it in perspective, YouTube charges around $2 to $20 to advertisers when they advertise on YouTube videos. I want you to think about this whole social media game as a triple threat, right? You have your sexy brand on Instagram where it shows your portfolio of your videos and your photo.
Yo, ready for this?
And then you have your YouTube where there's intimate and deep conversations that you have with your audience. And then there's TikTok that drives traffic to these other two social media platforms. Using a combination of the three, you'll get the best bang for your buck and the best time investment. If you're interested in growing your TikTok, I'm gonna post a video next week showing you 10 simple steps that you can utilize right away to grow your audience immediately. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button below. And subscribe as well if you want to see any extra videos about content marketing, social media strategies, and video and photo production. You can also hover your mouse over this black circle right here. This playlist is great if you want to understand other ways that you can use social media and content marketing into your business plan.